Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, the daily candle today, what it done. And today is Monday. As majority of you know, Monday, it's always the market do against what it used to do all the whole week, as you see it. So now what is it the view for that market, guys? There is nothing confirmed, guys, yet, because unless if it came and breaking for us that trend line here, that when is it that downtrend is going to change, and the one here, that level where we are here, is going to become like a accumulation level. Till now there is nothing confirmed. Now it might from here to go just to touch here the trend line here, then after that to drop, and that is going to be a good opportunity for the people who swing trade and those things to enter from here till the trend line. Then after that we're going to see what's going to happen. If it's breaking here, then we enter in the daily, guys. Everything is too clear, and there is coming news that week. There's a lot of news coming that week. I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes. So you watching us, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well informed about what the Bitcoin market doing or the cryptocurrency world doing, guys. So it's very simple. There is a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, or if you want to be notified more quicker, you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified very quick, guys. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family, guys. So as we said, guys, there is nothing here special. Let me show you my chart, what I got me. As you see it, guys, what I got in my chart. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. As you see it, guys, we got here that white one, that long-term trend, and here that channel. It touches here, it fall down till here, and here that yellow level here, as you see it. Every time he came to it, he fall down, and down here we got a level. As you see it here, if you came here, every time he touch it, he go up. He touch it here in that zone, he go up, and here he came, he touch it, now it's going up. But if you see that candle which is going on now, there is a pushing from up, so you need to make a close eye at it. If it's going to break that level here, that yellow level, or no. If it's break it, it's going to go till here, touch for us that trend line me I show you before, because that yellow one, it's coming from up, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it, and you need to make a close eye at that level. That's what me I told you before. Told you for the people in the 4 hours, you can go from here till here, till that zone here. That one here we have at 2600. You need to make a close eye at it if it's going to hold or not. As you see it, it started from here and here. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, I tell it to you. What did I told you here about that zone where we are? I told you it's going to become like here or like here. How? I told you, remember with me, 1, 2, and here 3 in the top and 2 down, guys. Now how much it giving us? 1 top and 1 down. Now it's going to give us 2 up, 3 like that. Then after that it's going to fall down, guys. So remember my word, today just Monday, guys, and Monday it's always the market doing what it doing every time. And also here, look at it very clear, guys, where we are in the control of the bears. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. And here in the top, that white one here, I doing that for the people they just coming now, guys, because I know some people they been with me, you know those things, may I show it before. And here in the top, guys, what we got, that one is the long-term trend, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it. It's going to be broken or not, because now it's getting lower and smaller, because that one down here, a trend line again. We put it some time ago now. But that one here, we put it from 2021, guys, when that bear market started, that the trend line will be following us. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, look at it. Look here, it's very clear divergence, guys. It's a very clear divergence there. And even here, look at it here, it's a very clear divergence. And our indicator is it at the oversold area, guys. You need to come here to that zone here. If it came and break it here, you enter long, guys. Remember my word, if it came and break in here, you enter long, because it might just do it like that to come here, then after that to fall down, guys. Because here, if you see close with me here, what you got? You got that trend line. Here you got a trend line, guys. It need to come, it maybe just came to it, then after that it's going to fall down. So you need to make a close eye at the trend line we got here. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what in the 4 hours doing right now, to see what the market doing right now today. So let's go into the 4 hours, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us to growing up more that channel, guys. You done it? And please write with it a comment to help us boosting up more that channel, guys. You see us, we give you very highly in-depth analysis. So you helping us by just smashing the like button and writing for us down a comment. It's a very small thing. It will not take you a lot of time, just 1 second. And you benefiting from our analysis, and us benefiting by growing up more that channel. You done it, my friend? Thank you very much, my friend. So here in the 4 hours, guys, what you seeing? What did I told you before? What we got here? Look at it. I told you we got here a wage. Yes or no? I told you if it came and breaking for you here, interlong, and now it's very close to break it, guys. Look at it, very close with me. Look here, you are there exactly, guys. That one here, it came, that candle, and what's it indicating to you, guys? It's indicating to you it's going to break. Did it break? Not yet. And that one here, let's zoom it a little bit. Look at that candle here, what it done, guys. It came to that level, that 4 hours candle. It came to that level, then it dropped. Then the next candle, it came green. Those candles here, what they indicating to you? That green one, that red one, and that green one. They indicating the continuation pattern, guys. Yes or no? But you need to make a close eye at that level here. That one here, if it's going to be broken or not yet, because every time he came to it, it showed rejection. But that one just minor. Most important for us is the trend line of the wage. That one. Look how it started, guys. Like that, and like that. You started from here, and that peak here. Now you are in it again, guys. If it's breaking, we enter long, guys. Where we are going, I show you before where you need to take the profit, guys. Where did I told you to take the profit, guys? Where did I told you to take the profit, guys? I told you to take some of the profit here exactly, guys. You saw how I started from here. Let's see it in my chart for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Look at it. That the level me I told you to take the profit at it. At 2600, guys. Here exactly, because that level, when it's going to be touched, you're going to be touched the trend line from down. We show you in the weekly, in the daily, and you're going to touch the top of that channel for that long-term trend. Maybe it's going to break it, but you need to focus on only to be in the safe side here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's go in now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. Yesterday, it's been here, and look what it's doing today. It came, it's breaking for you here, that zone here. Look at it. Now he's breaking for you the last high, which is that one. I know it's not clear. Let's zoom it like that. What you seeing, guys? Here, focus it with me here about that peak here, and you draw in a horizontal line like that. What you seeing? You seeing that one here? It started breaking here. If it closed more than that, the trend is changing, guys. And that's what I told you just a few minutes ago. And look here. What's it giving you here? It gives you here like a trend line, guys. Yes or no? Look at it, it touch here and here. Now it's showing you are in an uptrend, guys. Here in our indicator, it's showing you are in an uptrend. In the chart, it doesn't show it, but here in our indicator, it shows you are in an uptrend, guys. Why? Look at it. Look, if you look in here the low, here the high, and here another low, here another high, another low here, and now it's going to give you another high, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? It's our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, it's very clear, guys. You got here a small divergence as you see it, guys, and we show it to you in the daily. So you got divergence in the daily in the 4 hours, guys. And another thing, here you are at the oversold area, and what else we said before, guys? Said when you are at the oversold, what you need to look at. Second thing, a level. You are in a very stronger level, guys. Yes or no? Third things, what is it? Price action, guys. And that one is the most important, guys, the price action. Forget about the others. The first things you need to look at is the price action. Look and look here, guys. We got that wage. Now what we need to do, guys, if it's breaking the top of that wage here, you enter long, guys. I told you to take profit. It needs to be some of the profit here at that level here at 2600, guys. If it reached to 2600, you take some of the profit. Everything is too clear, guys? It hasn't break yet. We need to wait in a little bit more, guys. Everything is too clear, and we're going to update you when the daily candle finish it. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smashing that like button with you, helping us guys. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you, and we're going to be sure if it is going up or no, guys. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video? You can find it still in the channel, guys. What did I told you we got here and here? I told you got a flag, guys. Look at it. It's very clear flag. You just need to close it from here. Now it's looking like a flag. Yeah, guys, yes or no? I told you if it's breaking for you the high here, you enter long. Where it's breaking, guys? Here, exactly by that candle, that one. So you enter long. It came down. He give you another low. Now it's going up, guys. Another thing he give you here. Look at it. What is it, guys? Here, he give you here a cup and handle. Yes or no? Now, should you enter? Should not? We need to see our indicator, guys. Where is it? For the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is near to the overbought area. So the entry was here. When it's breaking here, all of you enter. Now you are in profit, guys. Now it's very close to the overbought area, guys. It's not yet, it doesn't become green, but that place, when it started like that, you need to be worried, guys, and you need to move the stop loss a little bit up or to close a little bit of the profit, because as you see it, sometimes from that level here, it reverses. But I think me is going to move up, guys, a little bit up. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it, guys. Bye for now.